You can see the sign behind me there. We're in one of the most important streets in the history, not just of Belfast, but world football. And we're going to take a wee dander further on up this street, the number 16, incredibly important house. And there's a Liverpool fan shouting abuse at me from the tower block up there. All right, Bordy, let's go. So today the house is actually owned by the East Belfast Partnership Board. Thank you very much to Morris Kincaid, who gave us such easy access to the house. And for people who are coming to Belfast, who love Belfast, want to see Cregagh Estate, want to hear and learn more about George Best, you can actually come and stay in this house. So it's a real opportunity. So this is a wee bit special today. Matty and I have used Matty's influence, and we've got access right now, and we're in 16 Burren Way. This is the bedroom where George Best, one of the greatest footballers ever in the history of the world, Pelé himself said that of George Best, European Football of the Year in 1968 when Manchester United won the European Cup. You know, this is where this genius, this troubled genius, actually grew up. And it's only a couple of streets down. For Matty and I just walked down the street. Friend did us a favour, and this is George Best's bedroom, 16 Burren Way, Cregagh Estate, East Belfast. Brilliant. So the house is covered obviously in pictures of George during his career, and here's one, obviously in his later years, the big bushy beard, not maybe as athletic as he was, standing outside the old house, back visiting his parents. I must say one of my favourite encounters with George was round the corner, the day I enrolled at the local tech to do my A-levels, so we go back to the mid-80s, walking around, and there was George walking along with a wee toddler, who was a young Callum, and saying to him, "Hey Geordie," and he said, "All right mate," because he had no clue who you were. But I thought I was a bee's knees because Geordie Best had just said hello to me. Okay, there he is outside this house. And this is the street Burren Way that Geordie, the age of 15, left to go to Manchester United for a trial. Sneaked back home, was badly homesick, was persuaded to go back to leave Burren Way again, go back to Manchester, and the rest really does, to use a cliche, become history. And this is it.